Hello, and in today's video I'll show you how to install VS Code, Live Server extension and Prettier extension. So let's get right to it. First go to your browser and type in VS Code download. Make sure you grab it from code.visualstudio.com website and not anywhere else. And grab the version that's appropriate for you. I have already done that step, so I'll close my browser and go to my file. And I'll install that, accept the agreement, and just keep on clicking next, next, next. And I will put a desktop icon for myself next and install it. And this is being done on a new version of Windows. I have installed a virtual machine and Windows 10 on it. Show the process. And it'll take a minute or two, it shouldn't be too bad. Once this is done, I'll click on finish. And here we are, my VS Code launched. I have done this previously, so it is not asking me to select a theme, but it will ask you to select a theme. I have selected dark theme. Okay. The next step, what you want to do is go to extensions here on the left and search for Live Server. And it is this one right here by Ritwig Day. Over 30 million installs. So so make sure you click the install button to get it. And then Prettier extension. And again, the top result right there. So once you install two of them, go to your settings and type in formatter. And then make sure the default formatter is set to Prettier code formatter, because by default it is none. Okay, so make sure you change that. I want this one. And now we can close those. Next, I'll go to Explorer and I'll open a folder. And I'll just create a test for myself, like so. I'll select the folder. Next, I will create a new file called index.html and styles.css. And I'll populate the index with a template. And I will also link my style sheet. Okay, now I want to show you something. When I click Ctrl S or save, look at the document being formatted here. So I'm going to move this all the way down. Now click Ctrl S to save it. And that's Prettier. It formats the code for you. If you wish to ignore it, you can do something like this. Prettier-ignore. Make sure this is a comment here. And when I click save, so we need a code block underneath it. So I can have a hello. And Prettier will not format that particular code of block, okay? I'll just remove that. And next I'll right click on index.html. And I'll just move this to the right so you can see. And previously, type in h1 and I'll say hello. Previously, you had to save the file here and then refresh the browser manually to see the changes. But with Live Server, you can press Ctrl S and that automatically does it for you. And I'll show you this here as well. So I'll have the body and I'll apply the background style to gray. When I Control save it, it updates automatically. It's very smooth and very efficient, and it really helps with writing code a lot. Okay, that is it for today's video, and I hope it has helped you. Thank you for watching.